Some users might experience minor side effects like excess saliva or a tender tongue, but these should resolve themselves with continued use. Hey, practice makes perfect. Your Good Morning Snore Solution mouthpiece might take a few tries before you're comfortable with it and can keep it in for an entire night.